Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Revision Part 1. This video will present some revision exercises to consolidate the learning from previous videos. I'll leave each slide on for about 15 seconds. It'll give you a chance to read it, and you can pause the slide for as long as you want so the students have an opportunity to do the exercises. So I'll leave this on now and I'll move on to the next slide very shortly. And here is the next slide. It contains 3 questions. So remember, you can pause the video at any time to give students a chance to do these and give them whatever guidance they need. I'll move to the next slide now. Here we are, examples 6 and 7, very straightforward. Just explain to the students what they need to do if they have any problems. Pause the video at any time. I'll move on to the next slide now. So here are examples 8 and 9. I'll leave this on for 15 seconds and I'll move on to the next slide after that. And here's the next slide coming up now. And this slide is the last one. So examples 10 and 11. As you move through this video, you can pause it at any time you want to give students enough time to read the questions and to supply the answers. And help them in any way, give them whatever prompts they need. So it's just been a short revision video of some of the topics we've done in the past.